everyone, let me show you how to install Google Photos app. So to start, open any browser, then search for Google Photos. Press enter, then click the first one. So sign in to your Google Photos account. Then from here, click the three dots at the top right. Then go to Cast, Save and Share. Then from here, click Install Google Photos. Then confirm the action by clicking Install again. And that's it. Next, you can also click this Install button at the top in the URL address bar. So click on that. Then click Install again to confirm the action. And that's it. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so let's go to Microsoft Edge and let's search for Google Photos. Press enter, then click the first one. So sign in to your Google Photos account. Then from here, go to the top right, then click the three dots. Then go to More Tools. Then look for Apps. Then click Install Google Photos. So once you click that, click Install again and it will be installed instantly. Then click on Allow. If you want to pin this to your taskbar, just right click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.